Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I thought what I would do is I wanted to test this stuff out, this Plasti Dip. You know, amongst the tool community, I always see people roll their eyes when this is mentioned. So going into this thing, I kind of suspect it's going to suck, but you know, got to try it for myself. So I found these pair of pliers that you know, they function and everything. They're not in too bad a shape. I thought what I would do is I would clean these up a little bit, and then we'll read this and follow the instructions properly and see how it works. And if it's bad, we'll just take it off later. So let's do it. Alright, well, this is it. I guess I'll take this tape off and let's see what the results are. Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it's certainly not good. It's just thin and barely existent, and I put 4 coats on there, so I'm gonna not recommend this stuff. I don't think it's any good. And now I kind of get why all the other guys do the eye roll when they talk about it. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, it's really bad. Now look, there it is. I'm just by going like that, I can just, oh my God, this is terrible. Look at this. It just peels right off. Yeah, okay. My rating, crap. It's crap. And Scott Crafter, I should have listened to you, because you were right. So, that's it. We'll see you guys when I get back from vacation. Bye.